In this video, we will add the reset button feature to the main program. This is the video outline of this video. Let me read it to you. First, opening. Second, objectives. Third, demo program. This one includes 4 smaller parts. A, showing. B, speaking. C, uploading. D, working. Fourth, integrated program. And this one includes 2 smaller parts. A, showing. B, speaking. Showing the demo program. Speaking about the demo program. You need this line to include the library. This line, I initialize an object named reset button. This argument is pin 0, which is for the reset button. This line means that when you press and hold the button for 5 seconds, the program will call this function. This code block helps us demo the program. Below, we have 2 functions to write data to the EEPROM and read data from the EEPROM. Uploading the demo program. Working. I will press and hold this button. Showing the integrated program. Speaking about the integrated program. This function will be called if the reset button is pressed and held for 5 seconds. And one more condition is if the device entered the operational mode.